Hi everyone, this is English 4's instructional video for week 26. The assignments for the week are 10, 4, 5, 6, and 7. The learning target this week is I can demonstrate an understanding of the importance of communication. So why do we communicate? To get information, to tell someone something, to find out how to do something, to learn things we didn't know before, to persuade someone to do or believe something, to show someone we care about them, to debate, to talk to people for enjoyment, to test new ideas. And this is from Nelson Lindsay. All right, competent communicators. Good communication takes effort. The word competent means well qualified and capable. Competent communicators have knowledge, skills, and creativity in communication. They develop different ways to deal with different types of communication situations. They always seem to know what to say or do in any situation. They communicate honestly and tactfully and appropriately. All right, for your engage portion, in a Google Doc, write a definition for the word communication. For the explore portion, read through this information to learn more about communication. Please watch this video and flip through these flashcards also to learn about the importance of communication. For the explain portion, in a Google Doc, write about the importance of communication. The evaluate portion, please take this quick quiz to see what you know about the importance of communication. All right, for the elaborate portion in your Google Doc, write about what area you think you can improve upon with your own communication. And there's a rubric on how you'll be assessed. And finally, for the express portion, now that you've worked on learning more about the importance of communication, how do you feel about your progress? Please read through these statements, choose the one that best suits you, and place that in your Google Doc. And for your reflection, in your Google Doc, write a short reflection answering the question, how can you use what you learned in your personal life? All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks. Bye.